Okay, name the line on the plane shown on the diagram. Well, the line you need to name with 2 points. So there's 2 points lying on that line, Q and P. QP, PQ, it doesn't matter which way you go, but D isn't enough to, line P isn't enough to describe it, because there's an infinite number of lines running through that, and that's only just in that single plane. So that's not going to be good enough. So we're going to eliminate that choice right away. Okay. Now, if you know there is a line that runs through SR, right, for example, and this is one plane that's on it, but there's another plane that could also, like, you could basically have an infinite number of planes rotating around this line. If this line was kind of a point of like a line of rotation, and you're spinning things on the axis of line SR, there's an infinite number of planes that can be running through or containing line SR. So 2 letters isn't enough to actually describe it. You need 3 letters to describe a plane, and they cannot be on the same line, because otherwise it's just like saying, you know, two points on a line. You can have multiple planes running through that same line. So we have to have 3 non-collinear points, and in this case we've got P and Q and S are non-collinear. Those are 3 points, and any 3 non-collinear points define a unique plane in space. This is not enough. 2 points here or here is not enough to describe the plane, and it's got to be B, and we're done.